As you can see, the landscape is pretty flat here, not huge mountains, and it's all barren little mountains that you can see in the distance. So the ocean on my left and all the barrenness on my right, and we are going straight ahead. Well, it's basically following this road, FV-2. so we've got exactly 10 more miles to go. It's nice and warm here, the sun's come out. There are not very many fuel stations down this side in the south. Just found this, still have got half a tank, but I thought it would be great if I could fill up the tank and have a little walk around. I definitely need to go to the loo. Miles to go, and we'll be there soon. Let's go. Talking about. Wow, welcome to Fuerteventura. Wow, that's amazing. So you can see that this part is pretty barren. We're going to go around on that side. We are nearly there, just over a mile away. So nice. The weather is so nice. It's so nice to ride on these empty roads. I don't know, it brought me here. I wonder if that's the right place. I wonder if that's the right place. Oops, sorry. Oh. I just broke my GoPro mount. Look at this. The other mount is there and this mount is in my hand. Yeah, it's broke because it was kind of wobbling strangely, and I thought, okay, whenever I go there, the first thing I'm gonna do is have a look at it. But this is done. That's a shame. What I'm gonna do now? Ooh, what I'm gonna do now? Let's think about it. How I'm going to mount this now. Okay, so I have because since that gooseneck, GoPro gooseneck, is just broke, so I got something else. The only problem is I've just fixed it. The only problem is it's not very stable. I mean, on a low speed that's okay. I'm not really sure how is that going to handle when you're riding on a highway. So I have to figure it out for now. I'll look at the landscape and the sea right in front of us. Okay, let's go, let's go. Have we left anything behind? Nope. But where is that beach? Oh, that looks very nice. That looks really, really nice. Oh, the place. Looks a nice place. Okay, so we need to go around. Okay, so the question is, where are my glasses now? Oh, the glasses are here. Okay, that's fine. Yeah, that looks a nice place to me. Let's park this bad boy somewhere safe and walk around. Ooh, look at that. Oh, okay, let's park here. Let's park here. Okay, I'm trying to see where else I can mount. So I've just mounted on my chest. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know if you can see that. I don't know how. It's not very stable though. Oh God, never mind. Let's see where we are. Oh, that looks like a nice place. Very nice. And very, very hot. Okay, so just leaving the bad boy here, right in front of this beautiful hotel, and look at the view from here. Okay, let's walk down. Ooh, look at that. Look at that. This road takes you straight down to the sea. The very end of the sea. Very start of the sea. Right there. But let's go down this way first, because the GoPro, sorry, the sat nav, the Google Maps still shows me about half a mile away from here. So let's have a quick look. Maybe we need to take the bike all the way down, but look at the views. Okay, I think I'll take the bike all the way down, because there are quite a few cars parked there, so there's no point for me leaving the bike here and going half a mile down and then come up again. So we'll take the bike. That's pretty amazing place. Let's head down to beach. Beach on the left. Let's go down here to see what we've got. Yeah, it looks nice. We need to walk down a little bit to see what this place has got. But of course the weather is amazing. You are next to the sea. What else you want? Nothing more. It's a great feeling. Now the problem is that my GoPro mount, I just broke it. I mean, not that I broke it. I mean, it just got broke. And now I can't film while I'm riding, so there is another problem. So probably somewhere, if I could go and find some place where I can find a GoPro mount, so that would be great, because this one, the one that I'm using now, I don't think so that is gonna work. This little town, so quiet and so nice. Look at these palm trees. Wow. Sotavento Beach. That's a resort, I guess. And then you got a supermarket. Let's walk in there. I'm not kind of sure we're gonna find anything here, but never say never. So let's walk around. We've got Santander Bank here. Really? Okay, so there's all that usual stuff, you know, all the usual stuff. Glasses. I don't think so we're gonna find anything here. This one? Hi, do you have any GoPro mounts by any chance?
What do you want exactly?
Do you know the goose neck is called?
Over here.
You know?
In
No.
this region you won't find.
Really? And anything similar that you like?
You need to go to Grand Tarkam,
Where?
30 kilometers.
Oh,
If
okay.
you have a car.
Yeah, I am on a motorbike. Can you just show me where exactly that? Is that a big place where you have work?
No, that's it's like a village.
Oh, okay.
But there maybe you can expect there are some stores,
Oh, I see. Okay.
big stores.
Okay,
there
great.
You can expect this.
So you can Grand. Okay, let me just take a screenshot as well, so I know where. Thank you very much for your help. Thank you, appreciate that. Wow, I can see the beach on the other side. Beautiful apartments here. Sotavento Beach. Sotavento Beach, which is very much in the south. Oh, that big shopping mall that I went to, there was loads of stuff in there for holidays. I think it's owned by some Indians because every single salesperson was Indian, which is great. Look at these palm trees. Look at these palm trees. We are heading down to the beach. I think the lagoon they were talking about is probably like a kilometer of walk. Maybe we can do that right at the end of that, there, somewhere there, I think. Yeah, let's walk. That's why we are here. Oh, that is so wild. That is so wild. Wow. Ooh, it's so hot. It is so hot. Oh, what a nice place. So hot. The sun is so hot. I found a nice place for me, like a little home. Oh, that would be nice to space my tent here for tonight. Now, of course, I'm not allowed to. Just joking. But wow, just look at the view from here. Very nice. So a little later we're gonna go to that side. I think that's where the lagoon is, so we're gonna go to that side in a bit. For now, let's take it easy, sit here and enjoy the view. Okay, let's keep walking. Keep walking. Oh, that looks very nice from here. Okay, so as you walk about half a kilometer from there, still the beach has got an awesome views. And here I think that's like a sports club, so where you learn to surf, paddle and do all that kind of stuff, surfing and things. And also when what's called, that's interesting. Like sea surfing or windsurfing or something like that. Oh, of course you can rent things from here, but what I am not able to locate is a lagoon. Maybe it's not the right place. Okay, so we are still walking down the beach, getting to the very end of that. I think that's where the lagoon or lagoons should be. It might not be, it might be dry, or it might have some bit of water in it. But let's go and since we are here, oh, the weather is so hot here. I love Fuerteventura. It is so hot in here. As you can see that there are no mountains in the backdrop here, so it is pretty flat, and this part is very barren. So as you can see, oh, it's so nice here. Look at the sea. Look at the sea. Oh, very nice. Okay, so this is what they call lagoons, because you got the sea, then you got a bit of a dry patch or patches, as you can see, and then you got a water flowing. Basically it's a sea water, but it gives you a feeling of like a lagoon, which is great. So let's walk down the lagoon, and yeah, that's the one. You can see that when the tides are bigger, all the water comes in here and it fills those shallow kind of spots, places, and then you get the feeling as if these are lagoons, and then you get the sense of, you know, walking around lagoons. It is really amazing. Very nice. Okay, we've got lifeguard. There is also a beach bar or Riola. And now to go up, instead of going from that side where we came from, so we're gonna go from here. But it's a very nice place, quite wild, and you know, even though there are lots of people, but still, you know, it's a very nice place. Okay, so we're gonna climb back up, or maybe we can go through this. Yeah, that would be more, that would be nice. Yeah, look at it. So look at this, there's a wild path that leads you to these two massive trees, palm trees, and on the other side is what you get. That is pretty amazing, isn't it? That is amazing. Ooh, very nice. How it's so hot in here. So hot in here. And when you see a little bit of vegetation around here, that gives you such a refreshing feelings. Okay, I seemed to have lost my way back to where I left the bike. Or not. Okay, so I think we went past this sports club. Yeah, I think it's further down. No, we haven't. Let's go back. I think it's straight down on that side. Yeah, I'm still thinking, when I was riding, the GoPro mount was a little bit too shaky. And luckily, because as soon as I stopped and I touched it, and it fell down, and I was thinking, what if it would have, you know, just fell off the bike while I was on the highway, and I could have just lost the GoPro. That would have been a disaster with all the footage. I've got a lot of footage on this, and we haven't downloaded it because, of course, last night I couldn't. So yeah, so thanks God I saved the GoPro mount I'm still thinking I can work it out somehow. We've got this one, but of course this is not a stable. But you can't really carry extra stuff with you as a backup, you know. Okay, what if the mount breaks and then, you know, what are you gonna do? Of course you can only carry so much stuff when you're on a bike.